Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic about TikTok ads. Digital marketing revolutionized by TikTok ad. Leading short-form video platform TikTok has completely changed how companies interact with their target customers. Its advertising options are lively, captivating, and made to take advantage of the platform's vast worldwide reach and innovative culture. By showcasing goods and services in ways that appeal to consumers, TikTok ads help brands build real relationships and produce out. 1. TikTok ad format. Different ad styles are available on TikTok to meet different business objectives. When consumers go through their For You feed, native video advertisements, known as in-feed ads, show up. They maximize engagement while minimizing intrusion by blending in perfectly with natural content. Brand takeovers. When users launch the app, these full-screen advertisements show up right away, guaranteeing maximum exposure and effect. For increased exposure, TopView Ads, a premium ad type, guarantee placement at the top of a user's feed. Branded hashtag challenges. These invite users to contribute to campaigns by making videos with a particular topic, which promotes user-generated content and viral engagement. Branded effects. Interactive augmented reality filters and effects that let consumers interact with a brand's content in unique and customized ways. 2. The effects of TikTok ad set. TikTok is in a unique position for advertising due to its algorithm and user-centered design. Reach of audience. TikTok has more than 1 billion monthly active users globally, with a sizable portion of its audience falling into the highly sought-after Gen Z and Millennial group. Engagement. Unlike static advertisements on other platforms, the style of the platform promotes active engagement, which results in higher levels of interaction. Creative freedom. Authenticity and inventiveness are key components of TikTok's success. The platform's ads are made to feel and appear like real content in order to build relatability and trust. Data-driven targeting. By enabling marketers to target particular demographics, interests, and behaviors, TikTok's sophisticated analytics and targeting tools guarantee that campaigns are pertinent and successful. 3. Tips for making effective TikTok advertisement. Knowing the platform's culture and user expectations is essential to creating effective TikTok ads. Emphasis on storytelling. TikTok users respond strongly to advertisements that generate strong feelings or tell a tale. Take advantage of trends, including popular songs, memes, or challenges, can increase relatability and virality. Keep it short and interesting. Because TikTok users like to scan content quickly, advertisements should grab their attention in the first few seconds. Partner with creators. Brands may reach existing audiences and increase reputation by working with TikTok influencers. Test and optimize. Advertisers can improve the performance of their campaigns by experimenting with various formats, messaging, and images. 4. Cost and return on investment. TikTok ads use a bidding system and offer budgets that may be adjusted to accommodate companies of different sizes. It is compatible with cost per click, CPC, cost per thousand impressions, CPM, and cost per action, CPA models. The platform's capacity to increase both brand recognition and direct conversions has led several advertisers to record strong returns on investment. 5. Considerations and difficulty. Although TikTok ads present a plethora of options, they also present obstacles, such as the necessity for constant creativity and competition for users' attention. Furthermore, it's critical to maintain TikTok's inventive and playful tone to prevent offending users. Final thought. TikTok ads are a potent tool for companies looking to attract a younger, more active audience. In today's digital-first world, companies may accomplish quantifiable outcomes, boost brand visibility, and generate meaningful interaction by adopting the platform's culture, utilizing its distinctive ad forms, and emphasizing genuine storytelling.